Ending your day with a relaxing cup of warm tea is a great way to make drifting off into La La Land a little easier. When most people finish their tea, they toss the used tea bag into the trash with little thought. After all, what could you possibly do with a used tea bag? It turns out there's actually quite a few things you can do with used tea bags, especially in the garden. Keep watching to learn why you might want to bury those tea bags instead of tossing them in the trash. 1. Tea adds nutrients to the soil. Tea leaves contain tannic acid and nutrients that are natural fertilizers for a garden. The bag itself is made from fiber of abaca leaf stalks. As the tea leaves decompose, they release nutrients into the soil, creating a healthier growing environment. 2. Tea bags keep pests at bay. Used tea bags and coffee grounds will help keep bugs away from your plants. The odor deters the pests from chewing on your flowers and veggies. 3. Tea increases the decomposition of other items. If you're using tea bags in your soil or compost pile, the acid in the tea can speed up the decomposition process of other items in the compost bin, which means you can use the compost root of your plants, flowers, and veggies to help the plants retain more water and stay healthier. 5. Tea bags help keep weeds at bay. When you bury your tea bags in the garden, they can help impede the growth of weeds, which means less work for you. 6. Your tea bags can grow a garden. Believe it or not, you can grow your own garden with used tea bags, seeds, a plastic tray, water, and a paper towel. You'll germinate your seeds with the tea bags and then plant them in the garden. 7. The smell of tea works on cats too. Sprinkle coffee grounds or used tea around your garden to keep Fluffy from urinating on your favorite plants too. You can do this with indoor plants as well. 8. Reduce garbage. Burying your tea bags in the garden or tossing them in your compost pile helps eliminate excess waste. And 9. Worms eat the tea leaves. Worms can safely consume tea leaves. Once they digest the leaves, they produce a more nutrient-rich output, making your soil healthier for growing plants. Have you ever buried tea bags? Let us know in the comments.